I'm a business owner and entrepreneur who went and took some classes in cybersecurity, um, and just happened to use the platform uCertify through the school. In the beginning, it was a little bit sticky.
Okay.
Getting to learn the actual platform itself. Um, but I think since then, the platform has actually changed quite a bit, from what I've noticed. It's actually gotten a lot better. In the beginning, I used to uh, type in the actual commands, and they would take a long time, and sometimes it wouldn't work. Um, and the actual platform itself wouldn't read the commands properly. Now you can actually, it just copies and pastes it directly. Now that's a good thing or a bad thing. It doesn't I mean I guess people will tend less to type it and just use the easy way to actually input the command. But at least it prevents any mistakes. And trust me, I used to spend hours just trying to figure it out. It took me literally, like, even every class I was taking, I was having issues with it. But it seems pretty good right now. Oh yeah, tremendously. Yes, in many different ways. I think um, there are probably things it could be better, but that's with everything. As far as I've taken quite a few programs, and I think uCertify is actually really good. There's only one other um platform that I think has actually been pretty good, and that's the Code Academy. The way their code is kind of similar to the way you guys use the coding.
Mhm.
But ever since the beginning, since I started, your platform has actually changed for the better, which is actually pretty good. It's kind of similar for what Code Academy uses for coding. But yeah, it's pretty good actually. I like how a lot of how can I say this? Say for example, if I'm taking a class and I'm reading the notes, the notes don't seem lengthy. They're really precise. They're on point. I don't have to sit there and try and guess. There are actually You've actually made it in a way where actually I understand a lot of it. So I've actually
Okay.
not had to actually use other people. You've actually provided most of the documentation for it, whatever it is that you guys give courses on. I've taken, I think, one, two, maybe about six courses now at this point,
Great.
and mostly all programming. One is Securities Plus. So, for example, I'll give you an example. I took Securities Plus. It was the very first class I took. That was, I'd say, over a year ago, and I just took the exam
Mm-hmm.
and I passed the exam. And I didn't do any other studying besides the uCertify course.
That's
There
pretty
were
awesome.
there were other courses that probably I did a little bit, but I'd say 90% of the studying I did was only from that course. I took the notes from that course. Only thing I do wish is I was able to download the actual courses, like the physical, like it's like getting a textbook. So I could just go off the notes themselves. But I had to make a lot of notes. That was the only drawback. But that's with everything, I guess, because you don't want anybody to copy your documents. But it would have been a lot easier. But that's why it took me so long to take the actual course. I mean, the test. The other course I took was the Linux Essentials that you guys have,
Okay.
and the LPIC one. The LPIC one. I actually have the Linux Essentials exam on Saturday, which I'm going to be taking, and I don't think I'll have a problem with it because I've been using the notes that you guys have, and I think I'll be pretty good because I've taken some sample exams, and I think I'll do pretty good on that one as well. Actually, yeah, it wasn't very complicated, but I mean, I have a background in some software at least, and
Mm-hmm.
a lot of hardware. Um, but it was actually really easy. There's nothing that I mean, you have videos to show how everything works. So when I couldn't figure it out, I went into your database of videos, and it showed me exactly what I needed to do. Now, maybe somebody else might need a little help trying to figure that out. But for me, no, it was not a problem.
Okay. How does uCertify help you as a, like, how does uCertify help you study or save time?
I think the notes are really condensed to what you need to study. Really, that's it. I mean, a lot of other places I've seen, they give you a lot of junk and throw a lot at you, and you don't know where to study. But if you just literally just study the uCertify stuff, I don't think you need anything else. Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah. I actually have you. Anytime I pass my exam, I've actually linked uCertify uh, as a hashtag. So